Hello beautiful people, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this very simple and easy to make facial mask that will even out your skin tone and moisturize your skin at the same time. The very first ingredient I'll be using to make this facial mask is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder has a lot of benefits for the skin. It can help to even the skin tone, clear hyperpigmentation. It also has antibacterial and antifungal property. Right now, I am just going to pour the turmeric powder into the mixing bowl where I'll be making the face mask. The next ingredient I am using is camwood powder. Camwood powder is another amazing powder that is so great for the skin. It can also help to even out your skin tone, clear wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, fine lines as well. Now we are adding the camwood powder into the turmeric powder. The full recipe and all the measurements will be at the end of this video, so watch till the end. The next ingredient I'll be using for this facial mask is sulfur powder. Sulfur powder has a lot of great benefits for the skin, but it's mostly known for its antibacterial and antifungal property. If you're battling with pimples, whiteheads and blackheads, this is a must in your facial mask. Right now I'm also adding the sulfur powder into our mixing bowl. Now that's all with our dry ingredients. Now let's move to our wet ingredients. First, I'm using aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very moisturizing. It can help to soften the skin and make it look radiant and supple. Right now we are going to be adding the aloe vera gel into our powders. This was what will make the mask wet. At this point you can actually mix up your mask and use, but I want to use another liquid in this mask. The next liquid I am using is honey. This is pure honey. Honey is also very moisturizing. It can help to moisturize your skin, keep your skin looking soft and supple. So we are also going to be adding this into our facial mask. Remember to use original undiluted honey. This will make your mask come out even better. At this point, this is what our mask looks like. If you don't want to use honey and aloe vera gel, you can use other liquids like oils. You can use your carrier oils like sunflower oil, coconut oil. You can also use your distilled water. Once everything is added together, we are going to give this a very good mix so that everything is well incorporated and well combined. You need this to be well mixed so that you can get the maximum benefit of your face mask. And here is the full recipe as promised. You can take a screenshot and make sure to follow this recipe when making yours. This facial mask will help you moisturize the face. It will help to clear wrinkles. It will also help with acne and acne breakouts. If you watched this tutorial to this point, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, ask your questions, and I'll definitely leave answers to them. Also subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on more amazing recipes like this. Also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Bye and see you in my next video.